Stop. This is only our fourth city, so don't hold your breath, but... Sorry. I've spent some of the most magical years of my life in North Carolina. Can you believe that? I did a summer program in Winston-Salem on campus. Yes! At Wake Forest University, thank you very much. It changed my life as a young person, as a young queer person, as a young artist. It was called the Performing Arts Project, which doesn't exist anymore. And thank God, because I'm too gay to even go there. But the state of North Carolina holds such a special place in my heart, and it's such a thrill to be back here. This is my first ever national and international tour as Plasma. Full of legends, which means we've got a lot of old bitches. We also have a lot of newbies, which means they're unprofessional as fuck. And I not only dress like a legend, which means I look old, but I'm also new as fuck, which means I'm unprofessional. So are you ready for some old, unprofessional ass drag queens tonight? Oh, good girl. We have some incredible performances lined up. As she already said, all those people are here. It is a pleasure and an honor and a privilege to be here with you during the holiday season. I feel like queer people cling to the holidays as a sign of hope, as a sign of joy, as a sign of resilience. So I hope you're here with either your biological family, your chosen family, your family of friends, or otherwise. If you're here with your loved ones, make some noise. That is what the holidays are all about, baby. And if you watched RuPaul's Drag Race season 16, which did we like RuPaul's Drag Race season 16? Then you know two things about me. Number one, Barbara Jones Streisand is Lord.